Hello everyone, welcome to Mobiles Techland. Today I'm going to show you how to precisely choose any color in Photoshop. So to choose any color precisely, you have to go to the eyedropper tool or on your keyboard press I. Now if you click it, a ring will pop up. The ring has two colors, upper color and lower color. As you can see, the ring already picked a color and you can use the brush to see it. If you place the eyedropper tool to a different part of the image, our first color becomes our second color and we get the new first color, so that we don't pick same color twice. Like this red is a bit different than the first red, and picking a color automatically changes the color box. Let's see that again. I pick this red and it's red now. And you can choose any color of the image precisely. Like I choose the background, then I choose the hair, then I choose the shadow of his dress. I can choose the roses from the background. I can choose the roses from font. Let's see another example. If I want to pick a certain color from this character's dress, I can easily choose that. But as you can see, it wasn't the actual color I wanted. So I'll basically zoom in and I'll be very careful to choose the color I want. And yeah, now I got it. As I said, you can choose any color and you have the color ring to differentiate the colors. It was a very simple tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps.